Hi students, welcome back to our class. This is Swarpa ma'am. Today we will discuss about sexual reproduction. Ma, see here, sexual reproduction occurs in plants, animals. Okay, sexual reproduction occurs in the plants and animals and other plants and animals. Okay, so plants and animals. So in this sexual reproduction, mainly male gametes and female gametes fuse. Okay, female gametes fuse. Okay, this process is called as male and female gametes, means male plus female gametes fuse. That process we are calling it as fertilization process. It gives zygote. Okay, male gamete will fuse with the female gamete. Okay, now the process is called as fertilization. Zygote is formed. This zygote converts into embryo. This embryo again undergoes cell division process and complete organism is formed. At last complete organism is formed. Organism means big, like plants and what happened, organism, complete organism develops. See here, male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. That process is called as fertilization. Fertilization process, sexually they are undergoing reproduction. Sexually undergoing reproduction means between the male and female, between the two different individuals, it is undergoing reproduction. So we will call it as sexual reproduction here. So the sexual reproduction in plants, if you go for the plants, it has there are two types of plants: unisexual plants. Okay, unisexual plants. If you go for plants, unisexual plants. Okay, male sex organ is present on one plant and female sex organ is present on the another plant. Okay, so male sex organ is present on the one plant, female sex organ is present on the another plant. That plants means only a single sex, either a male either a female is present. That we will call it as a unisexual plants. Okay, na, unisexual plants. And if you go for the bisexual plants, both are present, both sexes are present, both sex organs are present on single plant. Sex organs are present on single plant. Okay, so single plant, we should not tell that we human beings are bisexual again. Okay, na, we undergo the sexual reproduction, that's it. But here in plants we have unisexual and bisexual. So in unisexual, male and female, male sex organs and female sex organs are separate on the separate different plants. Okay, and bisexual plants, both sex organs are present in a single plants. And pollination, see here, I'll tell you what is pollination and male sex organs and female sex organ in the plants. I will draw first the bisexual plant. See here, bisexual plant. Bisexual plant, see here, this is petiole or stalk, you can call it as stalk. Okay, which is holding the flower. Sepals, green color part, just leaf like structures are present, those are called as sepals. And colored part of the flower, this is a structure of the flower. Okay, bisexual flower. So this, what are the colored part, we will call it as petals. Okay, petals, sepals. Okay, if we go for this one, this is the female filament, and anther. Okay, see here, anther, it is bilobed. I have drawn the bilobed anthers here. Anther, filament. Okay, so anther, filament, these are called as male sex organs, or androecium. Okay, so this completely anther and filament, we are calling it as androecium or male sex organs. Okay, in this anthers, what are produced? Pollen grains are produced. Pollen grains are produced. Okay, in that pollen grains nucleus is present. In that pollen grains nucleus is present. Okay, now so pollen grains are the just like male gametes, we will call it as a male gametes. Pollen grains contain the nucleus, that nucleus we will call it as a male gamete. Okay, here in the same way we have another filament. This is also the androecium, this one is also androecium, this one is androecium. Okay, here the swollen part in this region. Okay, na, so this region it extends just like a stalk here. Okay, see upper part, outermost topmost one is called as stigma. A long style is extending below the stigma style. Inner one where ovule is converted into seed always later. Okay, na, and the ovule is surrounded with a layer called as ovary. Okay, na, so ovary it is converting into the fruit. Ovule is converting into the seed. Okay, seed is covered with the fruit always. Okay, na, seed is covered with the fruit always. So during fertilization process, how the seed is formed, what are the coverings of the how the fruit is formed. Let's think this is a mango. Okay, so mango, inside we have a seed and we have a pulpy what we will be eating, right? And there is a hard shell also. How this is formed? These are all formed by the sexual reproduction itself. During sexual reproduction, seeds are produced. Seeds again later, first flower, then on reproduction. How the reproduction occurs here? Pollen grains whatever are there, they transfer on to the stigma. Okay, so that stigma, what will happen? A pollen grain will develop a pollen tube during germination. Okay, na, so it pollen tube protrudes inside like this and moves and goes into the integument layers. Here the eggs are present in the ovule. Okay, goes and fuses with the egg. So here male gamete is a pollen grain in plants, female gamete is the egg. Okay, so there is a fusion between the pollen grains and egg. Pollen grain nucleus. Okay, it has a nucleus in this pollen tube. What is this called as a pollen tube? Okay, so this pollen tube contain two nuclei. That nuclei will move in this one and move like this, and here the integument layers will be there, that is broken down and fuses with the egg cell. I said this is the egg cell. Okay, that type of fusion we will call it as a fertilization process, and zygote is formed. Okay, so ovule develops into seed. And whatever ovary is present, that is developing into the fruit. Okay, this is about the bisexual flowers. If you go for the unisexual flowers, what are unisexual flowers? Only, see here, male sex organ is present in a flower. Okay, let's think this is the flower. Only male sex organ, that is androecium. Female sex organ contain which part? Stigma, okay, style, ovule, ovary. These four comes under female sex organs. Okay, na? So ovary, stigma, style, ovary, ovule on the another plant, on the another flower. Okay, na? So these are unisexuals, means separate sexes are present on the separate flower. Okay, so unisexual. So here what it contains? Stigma, style, all these are comes under female sex organ. Female sex organ is also called as gynoecium. Okay, it is also called as gynoecium. Next, this is about the plants. Okay, fertilization is different in the plants and compared to the animals. Fertilization is different in the human beings also, but the male and female gametes compulsory participate in give rising of the zygote here. Okay, now if you go for the only reproductive organs, the parts, what are the parts present in the reproductive organs only you will study in 8th class. Okay, here male reproduction, reproductive system in humans. Okay, now see here male reproductive system in humans. See, male reproductive system completely they have given reproductive system. Okay, see here it has a seminal ducts. it has a seminal ducts, and seminal ducts is connected to the sac like structure, a bag like structure is present which embeds a testis inside that one. Okay, testis means vasa differentia, vasa. So many tube like structures will be present. In higher studies you will study what are that. Okay, so it contains, it a bag like structure is holding the testis. Two testis will be present. Okay, testis is connected with the tube ma, that tube we will call it as seminal ducts. So in testis what cells are produced? Sperm cells are produced. Okay na, sperm cells. How does the sperm cells will be in this way? Just a head, okay, head and a tail. In this way the sperm cell is present. This is head, middle piece, and even in middle piece what is present? Mitochondria is present, and this is tail, that is tail. Okay, so this is the sperm cell which is exhibited from the testis. So sperm cell, okay now, sperm cell, this one is the sperm cell, from here to here this is the sperm cell. So sperm cell contains a head, middle piece, mitochondria and a tail. You know what is mitochondria? Where does the mitochondria present? In human, animal cells, plant cells, okay na, and plant cells and this animal cells mitochondria is present, mainly used during cellular respiration. Energy is generated in the form of ATP in the mitochondria itself. Okay, so here mitochondria is present in the sperm cell. So this sperm cell will move out from this and eject outside through this is called as a penis. Okay na, through the penis. This is about the male reproductive system. Okay, so female reproductive system and fertilization I will tell you tomorrow. So male reproductive system produces the sperm cells goes and fuses with the egg cell of the female reproductive system. Okay, so hope you understood this one. Thank you.